In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just getting started, knowing how to effectively navigate and zoom in on your canvas in Figma is a crucial skill. Let's dive into this quick tutorial. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser. Depending on your preference, you could use Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. Once you've got your browser up and running, simply search for Figma in the search bar. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that is largely used by interface designers to collaborate in real time, and it's an essential resource in many creative processes. Once you've landed on the Figma homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's quick and easy to set one up using your email address. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to your Figma dashboard, where you can see all your ongoing projects. Now, let's get into the various methods of zooming in your Figma canvas. Understanding these options will help you choose the one that best suits your workflow. If you're using a mouse, one of the simplest methods is to use the Control key along with the scroll wheel on your mouse. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard. That's the Control key for Windows users and the CMD key for those on a Mac. And scroll the wheel on your mouse upwards to zoom into your canvas. This is a quick and seamless way to focus on a particular area or element of your design without interrupting your flow. Another method for zooming in Figma that offers a more precise zoom level involves using the built-in zoom tool found within the application itself. You can locate this by looking towards the top right corner of your screen, right underneath the Share button. Here, you will see a numerical value accompanied by a down arrow. By clicking on the number or arrow, you'll open up the Zoom Options panel. This allows you to select a specific zoom percentage, providing more control over how closely you are viewing your work. This feature is particularly useful if you need to zoom in to align elements accurately or check minute details in your design composition. So, there you have it. Whether using the quick scroll wheel method or the designated zoom options within Figma, mastering these zoom techniques will undoubtedly enhance your efficiency and precision as a designer. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you feel more confident in navigating your Figma projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!